Today is a great day because not only are we making my favorite food, sandwiches, but we are also making my favorite sandwich. I have been working in restaurants for about 20 years now. I have been the chef of my own restaurant for almost 8 years, have very gratefully traveled all around the world, and this sandwich is still my number one. I was introduced to the Jambon Beurre, aka ham and butter, while living in France about 17 years ago. I had seen them everywhere, finally ordered one, and fell in love. Even now, eating this sandwich quickly transports me to some of my favorite France memories, like this one, having a picnic in front of the Eiffel Tower. Like any good French food, few ingredients, good quality ingredients. So it's simple, but we're going high quality, which means we're gonna do a little bit of shopping today to gather our 3 ingredients needed for this amazingly simple, delicious sandwich. First stop is bread. The most important part. Today I'm headed downtown to our local French bakery, which is tucked away off of our main street. Baguettes can really only be eaten on the day they were baked. They have a short shelf life, so consume quickly after purchasing for best effect. Bread and butter have now been acquired in the same stop. I know the owner of Breakfast in Paris, which is our French bakery downtown Greensboro, Julian, and I was like, I'm making a YouTube video on the Jambon Beurre. Do you want to be in it? And he was, no. He goes, but what you do need is, and gave me some butter. So I got a great deal because I bought a baguette and then I got the butter on the house. But this, I guess, has the sea salt crystals already in it. It's like a little dome. So I'm excited to get that home to test it out. Now all I need is my ham. And he suggested boar's head ham, thinly sliced, and then not to forget the cornichons, which I don't normally do with my sandwich, with my Jambon Beurre, but I think I'll pick some up. So the French chef tells you that's what you need. That's what you need. We're doing construction in the deli department. Slice the ham because it's a construction zone. So we're doing what we can. A pickle for the road. I've been working out. I'm so hungry. I'm really ready to go home and make my sandwich. All right. These are tart. They're so good though. It says cornichons gherkins on here, but they're sour. They're not like the sweet. They're not the sweet gherkins. Woohoo! Okay. I'm awake. I'm hungry. Let's go make a sandwich. Good baguette should have some crunch to it. So when you cut through it, like it should be crunchy. A good baguette is chewy and a little bit crispy. And I think it's easier to cut a baguette with a flat knife. This is a slicing knife than it is with a serrated knife. If you go right down the center, you can get a pretty clean cut. We got our pickles, got our ham. Now for our butter. This is the thing that rocked my world when I lived in France. I was like, why don't we put butter on our sandwiches in the US? The French, even though they invented mayo, oftentimes just put butter on their sandwiches, which is so delicious. It's a great alternative. Don't be afraid to put the butter on there. Now for the other side. It's like a nice teaspoon of butter spread across the half. And now for the ham. I'm about to be the headless chef again. It's more important that you can see what I'm doing here. Oh, jelly bean, I can see your tail in the frame. He's intrigued by the Jambon Beurre. Yeah. So here's our base. Got my baguette, butter on both sides. Okay, here we go. Go in probably with 3 slices. It's pretty thinly cut actually. Time to close her up. Cut her in half. On the bias. There we go. Look at that. So simple. So good. Now it's time to eat my sandwich. The part that I've been waiting for. We're eating this straight off the cutting board, you guys. Can't wait. That's what you want. You want the crunch when you bite into it. I've cut my mouth on baguette before. I've cut my fingers more time on a baguette than with a knife. This is it. This is the sandwich. There's just nothing else like it. It does take a minute to chew. It's just so simple. I need even just a little bit more butter right there so I can really get a feel for the quality of the butter. Transported back. I'm in the streets of Paris right now, guys. Oh, that butter is so good. Oh, the salt. Okay. I'm really enjoying this. Mashed jelly bean. I'm going in with a little bit of extra butter because it's so good. Oh, and my pickles. I'm eating these on the side. I guess you could put them in a sandwich. If I wanted to be a purist and just enjoy it for what it is. There it is. My favorite sandwich. The sandwich that I fell in love with. Instantly transports me back to like walking into a boulangerie, picking out a sandwich for lunch, having it in like a little brown paper bag, walking around the streets of France, the cobblestone streets, eating a sandwich, just marveling at the beauty of simplicity done well and how much you can actually like appreciate good bread, good butter, good ham when you're not trying to cram in all of these other flavors or elements. So like, I love a good American sandwich too, but there is something that the French do so well, which is to just like highlight ingredients, let them shine on their own. And I'm here for that. So cheers to you. Drop any questions that you have below. If you have a favorite sandwich that you want me to try next, you can also put that in the comments. If you like kind, science-based French fanatic cooking, then you are in the right corner of the internet. I hope that you will stick around. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time. You gotta close the one eye when you take a bite to get the